Hey mates, good morning. Here's a video part 2 for today. I'm over at the Galt Preserve, located near St. James City on Pine Island. So this was actually a preserve that was highly recommended to me because this seems to be one of the only trails that is actually worth exploring, or that has a little bit of length to it. But I noticed, as I was walking by here, I noticed a particular plant that is actually somewhat rare to find in South Florida. This is actually called the Vichella Pharnegia variation Pharnegia, also known as the Sweet Acacia. Now, this is considered to be a type of shrub, and it's actually very rich in sugar. That is oftentimes why most plants have thorns, because it serves as a means of protection. But the sweet acacia is actually quite a versatile plant. So, as it turns out, this particular variation of sweet acacia has been found in parts of the Caribbean and even South America. But for some odd reason, you seldomly find it in South Florida. Fascinating enough. But they are distinguished by having their very tiny leaves that have sort of like a pinnate formation. I mean, they're just so small. And oftentimes the sweet acacia produces these yellow flowers that are a bit round. Kind of reminds you of looking at, say, a dandelion, for example. But as it turns out, the flowers are actually very useful, medicinally speaking. The flowers have actually been used to help with headaches and even dysentery. And same goes for the, let's see if we can find another example. Same goes for the seed pods. They actually do produce seeds. Here we go, here's another one right here. So they actually fall under a pea family called Fabaceae, something like that. Honestly, I have high difficulty pronouncing some of the scientific names, but they are indeed a type of pea. And with that being said, since they do produce those, they are excellent nitrogen fixers. So most lentils, such as this one, they try to restore nitrogen into the soil. Thus, it promotes more plant diversity in the area. So they also provide a service. Now, fascinating enough, the roots as well have also been used to help counter any scorpion stings, which is, to me, is absolutely wild. And yeah, so they really do indeed have a use. So, whenever you do have the opportunity to run into these, you got to take it in while you can. But the other variety of acacia is called Pineland Acacia. And usually you'll find those a bit further up north in Florida. So you really won't see them here in particular. Yeah, you guys, that's the sweet acacia. And oftentimes, they've even been found as far north, like certain species of acacia have been found as far north as that of Georgia. So, preferentially, they like to be in more tropical, subtropical climate. They like that humidity, as well as the well-drained soil too. But yeah, they are indeed an incredibly useful plant. But here at the Galt Preserve, you also have the opportunity to see fiddler crabs. You know, you can see some of the holes in the ground, like right here, just a couple. But these fiddler crabs are extremely shy, so it's pretty much hit or miss as to whether you will see them or not. But nearby too, you also have the opportunity to see a marsh to my right. So let's just say this is like a very marshy area. Most of Pine Island is. Here we go. So these interpretive signs talk about each type of mangrove. Funny thing, I was actually talking about the black mangrove yesterday when I was helping out for a volunteering event. And this talks a bit about the red mangrove as well. And then last but not least, we've got the white mangrove as well. And then it looks like, right up here, we've got what looks like a wax myrtle, which I have mentioned in past videos before. So yeah. Just hope that you guys got a piece of scenery of the good old Galt. It is indeed my first time here. So in a sense, I'm still seeing what this place has to offer. So alright, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And once again, enjoy your Sunday. And Journey on a Journey is outwards. Take care, folks. See ya.